Oh my God, 7 p.m. na pala. Oh, it's still like this pa. 7 p.m. siya like...
8:30.
Really? Oh, boob. So yung night nila, like, hindi siya like full 12 hours.
Kasi mahaba yung ano namin summer.
Mahaba yung daytime. Pag winter naman,
5 p.m.
wala nang sun.
Sunset.
Wow. Amazing! Did you hear that? Come here, Christiana. Christiana. This is Christiana. This is my pet. She's really cute. You guys. She knows a lot of tricks. Come on, baby, show them.
We're gonna be drop a kiss.
Hannah, this is my bulldog, actually. Come here.
Hi guys, bakit sa akong tutoy B?
Okay, we're gonna try something for Hannah because she's very cute. Feminine energy. So, this is the gag. You ready?
Ay, shit. Bubi. May bubi siya.
100cc, bitch.
Diba?
Pasabog.
Come here, Ate G.
We are here at Brighton Beach.
Guys, if you don't know her, I know you don't know her, but you know. I'm gonna introduce you guys to my sister. This is Gigi Era. Judy. No.
Yanak the channel.
Nabuhi lagi ka, nakatulog magod na siya.
Let's pakita na koan.
The vibe is like this. It has a lot of like houses. Pwede na siya sudlan or
Yeah. During summer, they use this to tinda halo-halo.
really?
So,
Shut up.
Sada ang view diri. Kita ang mga.
So, magtitinda kami ng
bola-bola.
what is in halo-halo? Like
I don't know what halo-halo is. Actually guys, yung pinapatungan namin, lagayan ng mga
aso.
plastic ng pang-aso. So, is this free? This
it is. Uy, kapangilabot, pwede ko oti.
Masabog.
Ba't nang alam, wala ka namang asong dala?
pang dog poop, shala. Shala, pang earn.
I have your...
What if sabihin kong natatay ako, pupunitin mo ba yung tayo
Yeah.
ko? Pupunutin? Ay, pupulutin mo ba?
Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up.
Ganyan mo ko lang.
I'm gonna pick it up. Uyo.
Kailan uwi baby ko? First of all, I'm nobody's baby. Second of all, later. Shut up. Alright, ito na. Sige, ano tayo?
Yung inyong stick, hey.
Patatalakan kayo.
Siya nakantayin.
Kalibang ko, nagod ko.
Malibang yung kopi.
Natalakan doon. Alam mo, ikaw. Joke lang.
Ay, sabog ni si Kiana. Kinuha ko talaga siya kasi may nakakita kong tayo.
Sabihin nyo naman kung ano yung experience nyo sa show.
Oo nga.
How's your experience, guys? Kamusta kayo sa show?
Wait lang, may nagbasa. May nag-comment. Kumusta naman yung show niyo dyan sa Australia? I enjoyed it a lot. Papasa kayo ng script. Papababa ng script. I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you so much, House of Era Entertainment. GJ Era is fucking awesome for bringing all the Philippine girls here in Australia. Yes.
And Gigi is such a beautiful person. Talented, amazing, gorgeous.
Okay, cut. Si GJ Era po sobrang... Uy, guys, sobrang saya ng shows dito. I love it.
Naglabasan lahat ng mga Filipino.
Oo, naglabasan lahat ng mga Filipino. Actually, yung mga shows na ng House of Era, parang nagiging reunion siya ng mga OFW dito.
Yeah, that's why it's so amazing.
Including Christiana.
Yes,
Headed
Christiana
by
is here.
Christiana. Bakit marami nagtatanong?
Guys, 7 p.m. na dito, guys.
7:30.
It's so hayag.
Try nyo naman po mag-visit sa Philippines. No, we hate that.
I really wanted to...
Nora!
I really wanted to go to the
Sino yung baby girl na kagabi?
Si Delaxious.
Deluxious. Hi, Deluxious.
Is she here?
No, she's not.
Is she here?
I'm just gonna say she's an amazing girl. And her friend is so cute. Like, not gonna lie. What is his name?
Jonor.
Jono.
Yung
I
pink?
think.
Jono.
Jono.
Yeah.
Actually wants to be part of my house.
Uy, gusto ko din mag-shout out. Shout out ko si Carlos. Sharing.
Nakakaawin si Gigi, gago. Super Warla, Joya.
Sino ba yung taga-Australia dito?
K for kangaroo, correct.
Pag ganun po, kung taga-Australia ka, kasi pwede pa bang humabol ng Gcash ay ng PayID?
Gipaklo.
Ipak lang man yun.
Don't forget to wear sunscreen. Hindi siya super sunny.
Bisaya ba yun? Bisaya daw.
Dili siya super kainit. I don't know how to speak in Bisaya.
Sire.
Sorry.
Hindi alam ang mga ibang paningin.
Team Coley.
Totoo ba? Hello, I love
You
that.
met my boyfriend in Sydney. Hello. Really? Do you have a boyfriend? Yeah, you look like you have a boyfriend too. Perfect. What is his name?
Namuron ako ka ng
Like ano?
dili ka Filipino.
Ang lamig guys, buti na talaga dito sa like.
Guys, labig guys. Tingit.
Nanawa yung tutuyo, naninigas.
Gumagahi na yung utong. Gumagahi na yung utong ko guys. Ano man?
Gumagahi ni Otong, mama.
Yes, gumagahi na yung utong ko guys. Tignan niyo guys. Oh. Kamusta dyan? Ligo na tayo.
Sige.
Wait lang. This is the beach. Like man natin.
Guys, see the beach? Maliligo na kami. Let's go!
Ala!
Ninahubo ko sa box. Actually, dawa di ako ano.
Ha? Dara oh. Uy, ako na kay ako siya open until daytime no.
Gihangak naman ko mamo eh.
Halina naman na ito dire.
Okay, let's go.
Bo lagi basura gamay.
Ayun ang basura oh. Asa ka, G?
Butt it out.
Hala, grabe kiko. Kabastos.
Butt it out first. Ala. Oh my God. Gigi is Australian pero hindi niya sinusunod yung mga rules. Dapat na sunod.
So,
Ang daming sibuyas dahonan dito guys.
sibuyas dahonan. And then, alam mo yung kalabo? Meron silang kalabo di. Ansan eh? Pampano eh? Tubig?
It is kyoso. For the kyoso it is.
Ay,
Ah,
Sa kyoso yan.
anong kiyoso?
Aso.
Ah, kiyoso. Tang, iniiba kasi. Kiyoso.
Live at the White Dolomite Beach. Hello mga kapusa! Andito ako ngayon sa White Dolomite Beach sa Luneta City. Luneta City.
Hindi ata ganito.
Guys, pati na. I'm gonna be a fan na
Look at that, the city. Parang, anso to?
cartoons.
Yeah, looks like cartoon.
It's giving cartoon.
Cartoon Network.
Dili po. Cartoon like the box. Charing.
Guys, gusto niyo bang magising? Sige.
Ala!